Hello YouTubers, this is Nova Scotia Dave from outside of Halifax. I like doing little mods on I've got a BX25D, it's a 2012 and I like doing mods on it to make my life a little bit easier there. Or, you get the different projects and everything else and that and to just, make the tractor work more efficient than that. One thing I've noticed is that I do have a back blade, but then, like I say, you have to end up taking off the backhoe and then putting a 3-point hitch on there and hooking the back blade up, which works really well, same as a box blade and everything else and that. But a lot of times that you're working away doing some landscaping and that, and you have your backhoe on because you're using the bucket there to dig and so on and so forth and that. But then once you want to be able to level off the area and that. Now, the front bucket works fine to certain cases there, but there's a lot of places you just can't get at. Like it's either kind of awkward and everything else. And that, so you got to try and figure out how to scrape the soil or gravel or whatever. So I came up with a little idea there, like of putting a back blade on the backhoe itself, and that, from an old ATV plow that I picked up off of Kijiji or whatever on that, and I modified it and I was able to put on the backhoe on that. So hopefully I'm inside right now because May is terrible for black flies, and it's a lot easier to give the first intro here without the black flies and the net and everything else, like biting you and everything else and that. So the next video will show the tractor itself and that, and it will also show how I did the back blade and put it on the tractor and that. So I hope you enjoy the next portion of it. Yeah, this is my 2012 BX25D that I purchased there, and it's probably got close to almost 900 hours on it. One of the things I purchased here was a tooth bar I got from this one company there in Quebec there called TRA there, Tractors Attachments. And it works really well, especially for digging in the ground or even in gravel piles and everything else and that. It seems to load the bucket pretty good there. And I also did a mod on top there, added a bar across there. One of the things I was going to do is that whenever I do landscaping, that is the fact of a back blade and having to remove the backhoe and putting a 3-point hitch on there and putting the back blade on and everything else and that for doing some leveling now. So I came up with an idea there, is that why not incorporate something onto the backhoe itself. And so what I did is I bought a used ATV plow about 48 inches long and I decided I would try to modify it so it would fit onto my backhoe and that. What I did is that I basically took the bucket off, and all it is just 2 pins and 2 bolts. We'll take the bucket off, and that is here. And what I did is I mimicked the design that was on the bucket itself there. I had 2 1/4-inch steel plates in that, so I drilled the holes there. Kubota there, the pins in that, they're just about 15/16 in that, like they're just a slight tad under an inch in that. So I used an inch drill there, and it seems to work quite well. It's nice and tight on here, and like I say, it'll probably take me about maybe less than 5 minutes to take the bucket off and then put this on here, put the pins on and tighten it up and that. If I had a quick disconnect there, then of course it would take a lot less time. So it is, I incorporated part of the plow itself and that. I used to have a swing bar where you could angle it and everything else and that, but what I did is I ran some angle iron down it and welded it on for strength in that. Because when you're using the blade itself, it has a lot of push in the bottom of the blade there, so you don't want that jamming up there. So far, like you could even beef it up a bit more, but it seems to work quite well. I was doing a little bit of graveling on a road there and smoothing it off with that, and it seemed to work really well. But the nice thing about this is that you can swing it to any position. You can move the blade back and forth and that to any angle, and by pulling the pins out you can move it left and right, And so if you're in any tight spots there, you want to grab some dirt or gravel and spread it and everything else, and that it works perfect. So this is my kind of modification that I came up with to make it have a back blade that would attach to your backhoe, and you'd have the full controls there, and that way there you don't have to remove the backhoe if you did want a back blade to do some leveling and that the bucket wouldn't handle and stuff like this and that. So if you don't forget, if you like my video here, hit the like and subscribe and that, and if you do any comments at the bottom there, I'll get back to you. And anyway, hopefully you enjoyed this video and that, and have a great day. Bye bye.